Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Ravella Design. Today I'm gonna show you how we are going to make these beautiful crochet border. You can use this crochet border for crochet bandanas, for baby blankets, TV blankets, armchair shawls, crochet blouses, crochet tops, any crochet projects that needs a crochet border. You can use this beautiful and cute pattern, dear friends. This is very easy and also looks beautiful. Even the beginners can easily make them. I am going to use how to make this on this project, dear friends. This project is a kind of bandana, and you can find the video tutorial of this bandana if you want to make the same. This is V-stitch as well. Let me show you how to make this. You need a cotton yarn for this, of course, if you make this border for a summer project, and we need a hook with 3 millimeters. And if you are going to make this pattern for a baby blankets or for winter projects, something like blankets or like this, you can also use woolen yarn. It's no problem. I will just show you how to make the pattern. Okay, dear friends, let's go on how to make this. Meanwhile, please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info ring. Please leave like, remarks, and make comments and share my videos. I will be very pleased if you support me like this, dear friends. Thank you so much, and let's go on how to make this. I am at the corner. First of all, we are making 3 chains. 1, 2 and 3. Yarn over. I'm skipping this V-stitch, going to the following space between these V-stitch. And making a double crochet like this. 1, 2, 3 chains. I'm making, yarn over. I am inserting my hook in the space and yarn over, pull through, making a double crochet. We are considering the first 3 chains as the first double crochet. Now we have 2 double crochets in this space. Yarn over, inserting my hook in the same space, pull through, making a double crochet. Yarn over, inserting my hook in this space, yarn over, pull through, making a double crochet. Yes, we have now totally 4 double crochets in this space. I am making yarn over, I am skipping the following V-stitch, inserting my hook in this place and making a double crochet. Like this. Our first pattern is finished now. I am making 3 chains. 1, 2, 3, yarn over, inserting my hook in this space, making a double crochet, inserting my hook in the same space, making another double crochet, inserting my hook in the same space and making another double crochet. It's been 4 double crochets. Yarn over, skipping this V-stitch, inserting my hook in this space like this, making 3 chains, inserting my hook in the same space, yarn over, skipping the following V-stitch, inserting my hook in the other space. Look, I insert my hook here. This is the V-stitch, this is the V-stitch. I insert my hook in the space between these 2 V-stitches. 1, 2, 3. Like this. Pattern is easy like this, dear friends. We are always doing the same thing. We are always repeating the same pattern. I made a double crochet in the space between the two V stitches, making 3 chains, 1 2 3, and I am making totally 3 double crochet in there, 1 2 and 3, considering the first 3 chains as the first double crochet. There are now totally 4 double crochets in there. Yarn over, going to the following space after this V stitch, one, two, three, skipping this V stitch, inserting my hook after this V stitch here, and it's going on like this, dear friends, like this. Dear friends, I showed you how to make this border when your last row of your project is V stitch, but if you do not make the V stitch, and if your last row is full with double crochets like this, now I will show you how you are going to make this border. I am making 3 chains, 1 2 and 3, yarn over. I am making 2 stitch skipping. This is 1, this is 2, inserting my hook in this third one. I'm making 1 2 and 3, yarn over, inserting my hook in the space, yarn over, pull through, making a double crochet, making another double crochet, and making another double crochet. Yes, it's been like this. Considering the first 3 chains as the first double crochet, there are now totally 4 double crochets in this space. I am taking the loop on the hook, and I will show you, one moment. Yarn over, I'm skipping this stitch and also this stitch, 1 2 stitch skipping, inserting our hook in the third one and making a double crochet, 1 2 3, inserting our hook in the space, yarn over, making a double crochet, making another double crochet, and making the 4th double crochet like this, yarn over, this stitch and this stitch, skipping. You see there are 2, this is 1, this is 2, inserting my hook in the third one and making a double crochet. You see, it's been like this, very neatly, very beautiful, dear friends. I'm showing you when your last row is with full with double crochets. I am making 3 chains, inserting my hook in this space, making totally 4 double crochet in this, considering the first 3 chains as the first double crochet, like this, yarn over, skipping 2 stitch, inserting our hook in the third one, and repeating and repeating always the same thing. Dear friends, we made 3 pattern, and it will go on like this in the same way. Yarn over, I'm skipping these 2 stitches, inserting my hook in the third one, making a double crochet, and always going on like this. Now you learn how to make this pattern when the last row of your project is full with double crochets. I showed you how you are going to make this pattern when the last row is V-stitch and also full with double crochets. Now I will show you how you are going to make this pattern when the last row is with granny stitch strips like this. I will show it to you with another color in order to show you well. First of all, I am fixing the yarn. 1, 2, 3 chains I'm making. I'm inserting my hook in this space, making double crochet. 1, 2, 3 chains I'm making, inserting my hook in this space like this. Making another double crochet and making the fourth double crochet like this. Yarn over, skipping this block, inserting our hook in this space. For this pattern you should be careful that the last stitch will be with blocks, not with space. It's going on like this. 1, 2, 3 chains we are making, yarn over, inserting our hook in this space, 4 double crochet we are making in this space, yarn over, inserting our hook in this space, 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, yarn over, inserting our hook in there like this, making a double crochet, making another double crochet, making the fourth double crochet. There are now 4 double crochet in this space. Yarn over, skipping the block, going to the space, inserting our hook in there and making a double crochet. It's going on like this. I finished it for you. It's been like this, dear friends. Yes, dear friends, we came to the end of another project with you. Hope you enjoyed this project. Hope you like this crochet border. Thank you so much for watching this video till now. Please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info ring. Please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos. Thank you so much for your support. Let's meet in the next video.